Ready?
Yeah.
Keep your fingers out of the way. Buddy, are you ready? Come here. You want a hot dog? You roll over? Old man. Good boy. Bang, bang. Not dead. Good boy. Hey, Katie, come around here so you can see his paws. Buddy, do not look at it. Do not look at it. Okay, you can have it. Good boy. What did good dogs do for hot dogs? If you're a good dog and you want a hot dog, what do you do? What do you do for that hot dog? No. Come here. What do you do for a hot dog? What does a good dog do for a hot dog? No. Can you roll over? Roll over. Oh, man. Roll over. Thank you. Good boy. The end.